Hi, my name is Alexei. I study at Gymnasia number 3. And today we ask the question: is summer cool? Yes, it is. Summer is fun, sun, and playing with friends. Oh, friends. In summer, you can do a lot. But unfortunately, some people prefer to sit at home, in front of the TV, or just on the internet. Take advantage of long sunny days by exploring the natural world. Go bird watching. For example, take photos and keep track of your sightings. Use an app or a guided book to identify feathered friends. It allows you to keep track of the species you see in the field. Make a bird feeder. Watch birds visit your yard and add to your list of birds sightings. Milk cartons are an easy starting point for a bird feeder. All you have to do is cut holes for the bird food and honey and then decorate it. Birds will often go to a new feeder in a day or two. Subscribe our channel. Goodbye.